Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to schedule emails in Gmail. So firstly, let's open Gmail application, and then you want to start writing a new email by clicking Compose button. Then you need to click the three-dot button in your upper right corner, and here you need to choose Schedule Send. Okay, but before that we need to specify the person I'm sending my email to. For example, it's just for example, again, three-dot button, Schedule Send, and I can schedule my email at tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon, Monday morning, or I can custom date and time. So here is a little calendar, and I can select the day and eventually time. Click Save button. Send scheduled to Tuesday, April 22 at 4:40 p.m. like I did. So that's how you schedule your emails. I hope this video helps, and if so, please leave your thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.